Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week.
In today's video tip, I want to show you how to make jibing your boat smoother and easier, and this will help you and your crew sail safer this season. Sail into a deep broad reach with the wind coming over the quarter as shown in the first illustration. Note how the boom is all the way out, close to the shrouds. You also want to set the boom vane with moderate tension to keep the boom under control. To help keep the boat on course and the wind coming over the quarter, pick a point ahead of the boat, such as a prominent object, to steer on. If offshore, you might use a cloud, star, or the compass course. Before you go into the jibe, pull the main boom in close to the center line. That way the boom will have less room to travel, and this will be safer as the boom swings from one side of the boat to the other.
Look over your shoulder and pick a new object to settle on once you make the jibe. Here we will use a tank on the north shore.
Prepare the crew to jibe and then turn the rudder at a slight angle. Use the slowest speed possible to jibe the boat. As you round up onto the new course, select the main sheet fast and smooth until the boom lies within a few inches of the shrouds. Now you know simple ways to make jibing smoother and easier for you and your sailing crew. Use these sailing tips this season for safer sailing on the waters of the world.
This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.